Just how confident are your students' answer choices? That's exactly how confidence will challenge your students as they play this unique game in the classroom and self-paced environments. Before an answer is even submitted, students must assign a point value as to how sure they are of their answers. Answer correctly and bet big. Win big either way. Instructors and students alike will instantly get valuable feedback for powerful mediation. Follow the step-by-step tool to create your game in minutes. Content can be generated via the AI Assist feature for even faster development. BravoZone helps you deliver your content using slides before and after each question for deeper learning. Play anytime, anywhere, on any device. Drive results with real-time feedback. BravoZone captures comprehensive data for every session, helping you instantly spot knowledge gaps and create valuable teaching moments. Ready to transform your training? Use BravoZone free in your next training session. Click the Try It button to get started.